السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته، متابعي قناة فكرة حلو. النهاردة إن شاء الله هنقدم فولدر الإنجليش، ملف الأنشطة الخاص باللغة الإنجليزية للأطفال وإيه محتوياته وإزاي نقدمه للطفل. أول حاجة النيم، فنقول his name مثلا، هنعمله طبعا عاملين أبل برونز. فبقول what's your name؟ I am محمود. تاني حاجة بيبقى his photo with his family. These for where is A, where is B, okay? What is number one? What is number two? What is number three? Where is number four? We're gonna use flashcards of the alphabet. A for apple, apple. B for book, book. Z, zebra. Until Z to zebra. Okay? And after that, the word and the shadow. There. Mango, bananas, apple. What is mango? Mango. Where are bananas? Bananas. Where are apples? What is apple? Sorry. Where is apple? The opposite. What is the opposite of on? Under. What is the opposite of in? Out. What is the opposite of in front of? Behind. And then the boy gonna put, okay? Okay. مثلا ايه the boy is up the stair, the boy is down the stair. هنا استخدمت present continuous. The boy is eating apple, the boy is picking apple. تمام؟ فأنا بستخدم the differences between the two pictures. The boy is crying. Okay. The baby is laughing. Ha 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 ha. Bear, kangaroo. What's a kangaroo? Kangaroo. Can you hop like kangaroo? Hop, hop, hop like a kangaroo. Kangaroo. A giraffe has a long neck. Elephant. Toot. بعمل sound. What is the sound of elephant? Toot. Animals. And after that, vegetables. Tomato. Green pepper. Here's our fruits. Banana. Can you read banana? Banana. Okay. Watermelon. What's a watermelon? Orange. Here's our kitchen items. Glass, plate, knife, bread. Here are numbers from 10 to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 9, 100. Here are colors, okay? And we use this. Green, yellow, red, white, orange, okay? The broccoli is green. The lemon orange is orange. Here are, we're gonna choose which is its shadow. We're gonna choose which is its shadow. Banana. Which one is its shadow? That is the shadow of banana. I'm gonna use this, okay? Banana, that's the shadow of banana. That's a pencil. What is the other pencil? Yeah. That's a girl. What is the other girl? Yeah. That's tomato. What is the other tomato? Tomato. That's a spider. What is the other? All shapes. Okay? Circle. Square. Triangle. Rectangle. Oval. Star. Diamond. Arrow, line, okay? But the rectangle, but the triangle, but the square, but the circle, okay? Here, the big and small, big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small. Here are family, grandpa, mother, father, brother, sister, okay? Here, The rat eats cheese. The hedgehog eats no. Mushroom. The rabbit eats carrot. The crocodile eats nuts. Okay, the animal and what's it. Okay, here's طبعا الايه body parts and 5 senses. Okay, colors, musical instrument.